Hello, my name is Ara Eckel. I'm the lead connected customer specialist with Chevy, and I want to introduce you to our new MyLink radio within our Sonic and Spark, which we're in at the current moment in time. Now, this MyLink radio is trying to bring the connectivity from your smartphone into your everyday lifestyle. As you can see, I have an iPhone 4S, and I've already paired my phone over Bluetooth to my radio, and the whole idea here is I shouldn't have to pick this up again for the rest of this demonstration, because we're going to show you how many of the applications you want day in and day out are integrated here. So the first thing I want to show you is underneath the multimedia tab, I'm actually streaming music from the source, which is already my iPod. So as you can see, I get the great album artwork, not only the album, but who the artist is, the song, the genre, and I can go in and browse all of this functionality throughout my radio, and I can browse in the ways I'm accustomed to. Playlists, artists, album, song, genres, whatever you like. I'm more of an artist person myself. Now the other piece here is I can always speak these songs and have them pull up straight from the iPod, and we'll show you that feature later on. If I go back to my home screen, just as I would on another device that we use on some of our smartphones already, I also have some features within the telephone tab. So when I click on telephone, as you can see, it actually says my name, the phone that I have, how much battery life is left, as well as I can keypad in some information, use my phone book and my call history, which is being pulled from the phone and just visible on the screen. Now I think I want to show you some of the coolest features within our vehicle and two things that are an industry first. So I'm going to click into my smartphone link tab. As you can see, we have 4 applications that are optimized for this radio. Pandora, which is internet radio, so you can choose an artist, genre, or song and customize a station to your liking. Stitcher, which is kind of the talk radio of Pandora. For example, I listen to Jim Cramer with Mad Money, and I can listen to stations like him or like others. TuneIn, which is a global radio platform. In our last demonstration, we were listening to a live radio station in Germany. And then Bringo. I'd like to focus on Bringo because I don't think anybody's heard of that before. This is an industry first within our vehicles, and I'm going to show you what this looks like on the screen. Here's an iPhone again, and this is the Bringo application. What this is, it's a nav app that downloads and resides on my phone. What it is, 99 cents for a 30-day trial, $49.99 for the full version, or $59.99 for the full version with an update at 2 and 3 years. Now what happens is when my phone is inside the vehicle and I click on the Bringo application, it looks as though I had embedded nav in this car. So rather than spending on average $1,000 for an embedded navigation system, I'm bringing my connectivity from my lifestyle into the vehicle. From here, I can enter in a single line address, a regular address, point of interest if you're a big Starbucks person and need to get your cup of joe in the morning and don't know where you are. Or we can even pull up something like a recent list, and we could go to a specific location such as Foxborough, Massachusetts. It will load up not only our current destination, but where we'd like to go. I'm gonna press the go option, and it's going to actually walk me through how to go to that destination. And the best part is the maps are actually downloaded to your phone, so the only data that you'll be streaming is your location, which I think is huge as many of us get into a data-centric world. As you can see, it tells us what our next turn is, the turn after that. It's actually speaking this over our audio system, and it will walk me through using the blue route to where we want to go. The other industry first, again, trying to take some of that connectivity or that distracted driving with your phone out of your hand, is by keeping your hands on your wheel and your eyes on the road. And if you want to, you can actually highlight over here on the voice recognition button, as many of our systems have. When I push and hold this, rather than accessing an internal voice recognition option, you'll see our voice rec person come up here, and you're actually going to see me use Siri eyes-free functionality, another industry first within our vehicles. Siri, send a text message to Ivan Guzman.
Okay, I can send a text to Ivan Guzman for you. What would you like it to say?
How's your day today?
I updated your message. It says, how's your day today?
Then it will prompt me, would you like to send the message? Would you not like to send the message? And I can do it like such. I can also use Siri for many other functions. So I can use this to set calendar events or read me calendar events. I also have the option to get sports scores. So if you're a Boston fan, I apologize for last night, but I'll do that demo now. Siri, how did the Bruins do last night?
The Blackhawks won the Stanley Cup 4-2 over the Bruins. They won the last game 3-2.
Now with that being said, I can also use this to call my contacts, to pull up radio stations or songs that are already within my iPod, as I showed you at the beginning. The other element here too is we always want to make the driver safer. So we're bringing in your connectivity, but trying to take that functionality out of your hand so your hands are always on the wheel and your eyes are on the road. So I'll give you another example. Siri, what is a waterfall?
To ensure your safety, your vehicle won't permit me to help you with that right now.
The whole element here is because it's going to force me to actually look at either pictures on my phone or multiple texts, I'm going to have to become a distracted driver, and we want to limit distractions. So for you, not only is our MyLink connectivity bringing your lifestyle into the vehicle and making you a less distracted driver, but we're also bringing in 2 functionality features that our customers are already using, like Siri and Bringo, which are both industry firsts.